So in today's video, I want to show you how to deposit into your Binance account, then how you are going to move it into your XM application so that you can be able to trade live whenever you are finished with your training. Okay, so let's get started. When you sign into your Binance, you are going to see add fund here. Did you see add fund? That's the first thing you are going to do. Okay, you are going to click on this add fund. So when you click on add fund, this is what is going to bring out for you. Then you are going to choose deposit euro. Deposit euro. Then when you click on deposit euro, it's going to bring this page for you. Then you are going to see bank transfer. Okay, then after you have seen this, you click on continue. So as you can see, when you get to this place, activate payment service, then you are going to click here. After you click on this place, you are going to click on activate. After you have activated, you are going to see activation successful like this. Okay, then this option will come out for you. All you need to do is click on OK, because it's an important information. You just click on OK. Please leave this place. So don't touch this place at all. Don't touch it. Just click OK directly. Don't touch this one, because it's an opportunity for them to be able to protect your money for you. Don't touch it. Just click on OK. You see the way I'm explaining little by little. Please follow through. Then it's going to open this deposit page for you. This deposit page, you will see it will be your name. It will give you a IBAN number. It will give you BIC number. What you need to do is just copy this IBAN number. This IBAN number is what you are going to take to your bank application, because I won't share the person's bank application here. You are going to take this IBAN number, you will take it to your own bank application, you will register it, and you are going there to deposit money. So the money you are going to deposit, it now depends how much you want to invest. Note that I will not be responsible for your profit. Definitely I will not be responsible for your loss if you follow the right training. You don't overtrade, you don't do trade revenge, you are following what the law, the rules says. Okay, I won't be there trading with you. You will just be using the signal that they are sending to everybody. That's the way everybody trade. Okay, so you have to open your mind, your mindset and everything ready to trade this business. Okay, so what you will do, as I said, you copy this, take it to your bank. If you are depositing 50, okay, 50 euro, you write it there. If you are depositing 100 euro, you deposit it there. If any amount you are depositing, you deposit it, and then we will not come back to Binance again. So once you have went to your bank and do the necessary things, you have sent the money you want to send there, you come back to this Binance, and then you now click on I have sent the fund. It's going to be active for you. Then you click on it. So once you click on I have sent the fund, okay, this is what is going to, your fund are on the way. That's what you are going to see. Then you can click on check asset if you want. If you like, if you don't click on it, that one is not necessary. So once you click on that you check assets, this is what you are going to see. Your fund has been credited with whatever amount that you deposited. Okay, whatever amount that you deposited, this is what you are going to see. So you can now click on go to wallet. So as you can see, the money is there already. The money that the person deposited is there already. So we go to the next step now. So the next step is, you see this trade here, you will see market, you will see home, market, trade. This is where you are going to. You click on this trade here, this trade. You click on this trade. What are you doing on this trade? You want to convert that money. So click on this trade first. So after you have clicked on trade, this is what the place that is going to open for you. It can be convert, spot, imagine, but what we need is this convert. Okay, once you see this convert, you come down, euro, that is the money that you deposited, and this BTC is supposed to be USDC. I'm going to write it on the screen. So you're going to look for USDC. You click on this arrow so that I can bring out USDC for you. So as you can see, when you click on that, click on it, it gives you USDC. So this is what you are going to choose. Please choose wisely. I will not be there doing it with everybody. Choose wisely. It is USDC. So you click on this USDC. So once you click on it, you see how you are going to see it. Up one is going to be euro, while the down one is going to be USDC. After you have clicked on it, then you come back to this euro and choose this max. If you cannot choose on it, just see how much you deposited, which is this person that deposit 400. You just use your hand to type it by yourself. Okay, once you type it by yourself, so after you have either type or click on this max to put the amount that you drop there, you are going to see how much is going to be in this currency. This is a cryptocurrency. This is how much it's going to be. The next step you are going to do, you are going to click on this preview. Once you click on the preview, you are going to see this confirm. Immediately you press that preview, quickly click on this confirm immediately. Don't take longer, just click it before this thing will count down finish. You can see it's already in 8 seconds. You must quickly click on it. This one, just click either anything could be better or yes I am. Just once they bring other things, just cancel it and go and continue. So your money, you can see your money is has already changed to this cryptocurrency. If you click on yes I am, this is what is going to bring. Just click on not now, so that you can continue what you are doing. Just click on not now. So now the money has been converted completely. Now we are now going to the next step. The next step is you go back to the XM app now. Okay, follow this thing step by one. Oh, I won't be there. Oh. You now go back to the XM app now. So this is the app that we are going to. Make sure it is XM. Before you deposit money, this money must be what? This account is verified, must be verified. Oh, I don't ask you to go and deposit money if your account has not been verified. As I'm saying, I won't be responsible for your profits, because you will not share your profit with me, and definitely I will not be responsible for your loss. So make sure your account is verified. As you can see, this is a demo account here. Okay, so we are going to change it to what? We are going to change it to real account. So you click on what? You click on deposit immediately. Click on deposit. It will be deposit to your real account. Once you click on, after you have clicked on deposit, you come and look for cryptocurrency. Did you see it here? Cryptocurrency. That's where you are going to click on. After you have clicked on cryptocurrency here, this is the next place. Select crypto wallet. You open this place here. Open it. After you have opened it, this is what you are choosing. No, you can see we have USDT. Please don't choose USDT. It is USDC. USDC. Then it will be the deposit amount. How much you want to deposit? How much did you send to your account? And when you convert the money to USDC, how much is there? It's very important. So you are going to choose, maybe if it is $50, then choose $50 you want to send there. If the money you converted, it is. So the next one is this deposit amount. If you deposit 50 euro and you have converted it, and it's up to 55 USDC, okay, you put the 55, put the round figure there. Don't put other coins that is after it. Put the round figure, put it here, okay. Or you should remain some inside the Binance. Don't take everything, so that there will be a gas fee. That's what they call gas fee that you're going to pay. Make sure you leave some part of it there. Okay, you can put 50, just put $50. Don't worry yourself. $50 that you put there, just put it there. Write it here. Once you write it there, so after you have typed the money that you are bringing, you make sure that you accept this place. Okay, accept this place and accept this place. It is two places that you are going to accept. So once you have accepted it, the deposit is going to be active. Then you are going to click on this deposit here. Then the next is going to be confirm. Okay, make sure you click on confirm. So after you have clicked on confirm, this is the page that you are going to see. It will tell you the amount you are going to deposit. It's going to tell you the network you should use, which the network they are using is Ethereum. Okay, so you are going to put it at the back of your mind, Ethereum, okay, Ethereum, and you are going to copy this address. This is address that you are going to take to Binance. You are taking this address to Binance. Take this address to Binance. You see, I'm repeating it, I won't be there. Okay, take this address, close click here, and you will now go back to Binance again. Once you get back to Binance, now we are back in Binance, then you click here to close this place that after you have converted, just close here. So now that you have closed that first one, then you click on this asset, this last one. That's where you are going to click on this asset here, that is down here, assets. After you have clicked on assets, then you now click on this send here, not add fund again. No, it is send, not transfer. You are clicking on send in the middle, send. So once you have clicked on send, you are going to click on withdraw crypto. So this is the only crypto you have there, except if you have another type of crypto, but we are withdrawing USDC. You click on this place now, you tap on it. This place, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to bring this your anti-phishing. Just ignore, click on ignore on it. Just ignore it, don't activate it. Ignore it. So now that's what you copy from that XM app. We are going to paste it here. Just long press to paste. You see what they said, long press to paste it here. So the next one is the network. Under that network, choose ETH. I will repeat it. ETH. Don't choose this one, choose ETH. That is the Ethereum network. If you choose another one, your money is somewhere ó ti lọ, you don't go with that. Make sure you choose ETH. As you can see, under the network, that's where the ETH is, under the network. Okay, so now when you get to the withdraw amount, okay, it should be how much you said you want to send from that place, which is the $50 or whatever amount. Make sure that you have 0.80 at the back. That 80 is the gas fees. 80 is the gas fees that they are going to charge you. They will write it under here. Okay, 80 is the gas fees. Make sure it's the amount that you type in that place, because if you put more than that, they won't give you. They will just give you the one that you said you want to send there. So make sure it is 47.80, which is the gas fees. Okay, alone. Take note. If you don't know amount to put here, please let me know. Screenshot to how much you have there to me. Let me know how much you put in that one. It's very important. Okay, then you are going to click on withdraw after you have typed this one here. Now after you have clicked on withdraw, it will say who are you sending this withdrawal to. You will choose myself. Don't choose someone else. Choose myself. Then you click on next. It's going to ask you the address type. Leave it like this. There's address owner. Leave it like this, the way it is. Then you click on this place. It's very, very important that you should click on this place. So as you can see, once you click here, this submit will be what will be active. Then you click on this submit. Once you click on submit, you are coming back here to click on confirm again. You click on confirm. After you click on confirm, the next thing is the risk warning. Then you click on verify now. Now is a scam alert. They are asking you the purpose of this withdraw. Then you leave it at investment activity. The first one, choose the first one. Okay, then after you click on next. So once you get to this place, don't choose URL, choose app, the second option. Then you typed XM app there. Then you click on next. Then the next step is you agree to these three. As click all these three, then this confirm will be active. Then you click on this confirm. So once you click on confirm, you re-click again, confirm here again. Once you click on that second confirm, then you now click on withdraw again. So it will give you security verification requirement. It must be 2/2. That means you must do this key pass number 1, then you do this facial verification number 2. All this thing is to protect your money so that you will not send it to wrong place, or you will now lost it, you now be asking Binance question. That's why they are doing this thing step by step for you. First of all, verify the facial. So you click on the facial. So this is what is going to bring for you. Okay, once you bring this one for you, you will scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to see something down. So when you scroll down, you are going to click verify facial recognition. That's what you are going to click on. Once you have followed all the necessary that they say you should do, this is what you are going to see. Your face scan is completed. I won't be there, so you do it by yourself. Follow the instruction. Your face scan is completed. Then you are going to do the second one, the key pass, because as I said, this must be 2/2. So you are going to do this, the key pass. The key pass, you can do it on your normal phone, I don't know, then you can do it on another phone. So once you click on it, follow the necessary instruction. In case it's telling you that pass key on another device, make sure you click it here and use it on another device. But in case it said you should do it on the same phone, follow the instruction, because I don't know what you have activated on your Binance. So it is what you have activated, or wherever you are using it, that's the instruction. Just make sure you follow the instruction. So once you do all necessary things in the with the pass and with the pass key and the facial recognition, it will immediately send. You will not need to press anything again. Okay, your money has been sent to the XM app. So you wait for some time, because they will tell you how long it's going to say get there for you here. Okay, then we'll go back to that app to go and confirm your money. Just click on this view history. Once you click on this view history, it's going to show you this, that is still processing. Okay, and wait for it to complete. Once it say completed, you go directly to the app to go and confirm it. So once you get back to the XM app, just click on this place, or you close it. You don't need it again. Just either click here to take you back, or you just close it, either of the two. So if you are on this demo here, you see that there's no deposit there again, because you have already deposited. If you are on demo, you click on this arrow here, and it will take you to reel. Once you click on that demo, it will bring you here. Just choose there on this reel here, this reel. Just click on this reel here. So once you click on this reel, you see that your trading account has 770 something. Once you deposit, they are going to give you some extra credit as a bonus there. That's why we send 470 and we have 700 and something to trade. So they added extra to it by themselves. It is their own credit that they added to it. Okay, so you have already deposit your money there, since you can see it here. So in case you want to see, okay, how much did I even deposit, you want to see your own real money, okay, you cancel that, you close it. Okay, once you close it, okay, you now come to this place here. You click on this something like wallet here. Just click on it. Click on this wallet. So once you click on this wallet, you see that trading account, this is your real money that you have there. Okay, the other one they are going to be used to trade is just with their own credit. Okay, this is your own real money, the one that you deposit there.